Russell Gay here to introduce you to the newest and I think best way to clean your home, the amazing HideAHose. Whether you are building a new home or want to retrofit an existing home with an unfinished attic or basement, you can have a HideAHose in your home. Are you tired of pulling a hose, lifting a heavy vacuum? This is the answer. I love this product, and you will too. Our average life expectancy is 25 years. It costs less than you might think. This makes cleaning easier. This is a great investment in your home. To learn more, call me directly on my cell phone at 502-387-4062 or visit us online at www.centralvacauthority.com.